Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Boost Motivation. Today's lesson is formal versus informal English. Easy. Many English learners ask, when should I speak formal English? When can I use informal English? In this 40-minute lesson, you will learn what is formal English, what is informal English, daily life examples, office, school, phone, and online usage. Easy practice. Let's begin. A. What is formal English? Formal English is polite and professional. We use formal English in offices, in school or college, with teachers, with bosses, in emails and meetings. Formal examples. Good morning. How are you today? May I help you? Thank you very much. Formal English sounds respectful. Practice. Repeat slowly. Good morning, sir. Thank you for your time. May I ask a question?
Part 2. What is informal English? Informal English is friendly and casual. We use informal English with friends, with family, on social media, in casual chats. Informal examples. Hi. Hello. How are you? Thanks. What's up? Informal English sounds friendly. Practice. Hi, how are you? Thanks a lot. See you later. Part 3. Formal versus informal greetings. Let's compare greetings. Formal. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Informal. Hi. Hello. Hey. Example. Formal. Good morning, teacher. Informal. Hi, how are you? Practice. Say both. Good morning. Hi. Good evening. Hello. Part 4. Formal versus informal requests. Requests change a lot. Informal request. Give me your book. Formal request. Could you please give me your book? More examples. Informal. Send me the file. Call me later. Formal. Could you please send me the file? Please call me later. Practice. Could you please help me? Please explain again. Part 5. Formal versus informal thanks and apologies. Saying thank you. Informal. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Formal. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Saying sorry. Informal. Sorry. My bad. Formal. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Please accept my apology. Practice. Thank you very much. I'm sorry for the delay. Part 6. Formal versus informal English at office and school. Office English. Formal. May I come in, please? I would like to discuss something. Thank you for your cooperation. School or friends. Informal. Can I come in? Let's talk. Thanks. Mini dialogue. Formal. A. Good morning, sir. B. Good morning. How can I help you? Informal. A. Hi. B. Hey, what's up? Checkmark. Part 7. Formal versus informal online and phone English. Formal online message. Hello, sir. I hope you are doing well. Could you please send the details? Thank you. Informal chat. Hi. Can you send the details? Thanks. Checkmark. Part 8. Final tips and practice. Remember, formal equals polite and professional. Informal equals friendly and relaxed. Always ask, who am I talking to? Final practice. Good morning, sir. Hi,
How are you? Could you please help me? Thanks. Target. Final motivation. Good English is not about big words. It is about using the right style at the right time. Practice both, formal English, informal English. Thank you for watching English Boost Motivation. See you in the next lesson.